Good morning. This is day one after the procedure. I slept like a baby last night. This was, as I mentioned in my recording yesterday, this was my ninth time to actually have a procedure. My first time with Dr. Lamb. My first 8 procedures, I was actually dreading this morning because of what I went through before. I had some pain and discomfort. This time, none at all. I slept like a baby last night. I feel great this morning. I believe I've got a 3-week window till I get my stitches out. But the procedure for post-op, they've been very clear about. It's very easy to follow. And I feel 100% this is going to be the best hair transplant experience that I've ever had. It's certainly been so far. And I'd recommend Dr. Lamb. His entire team is fabulous, and it was a very, very good experience.